Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious biryani rice, that is Kuska. Kuska is a famous biryani rice. This is basically a plain biryani without any meat or vegetables. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first let's make a spice paste. In a blender jar, take 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger and 1 green chilli. Blend everything to make a paste. Keep it aside. Now in a pressure cooker, take 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom and 3 to 4 cloves. Saute for a few seconds. Then add 2 thin sliced onions. Saute till the onions turn golden brown. Now add the prepared spice paste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 finely chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix and cook till tomatoes turn mushy. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1/4 cup of curd. Mix well. Our masala is ready now. Add 3/4 cup of basmati rice soaked for 30 minutes. Discard the water and then add the rice and 1 green chilli. Also add few mint leaves and few coriander leaves. Give it a mix. Now add 1/2 cup of water. Give everything a mix. Add salt if required. I have added Shahi biryani essence here. This is completely optional. Cover the lid and pressure cook on medium flame till 1 whistle. Open only after the steam releases. Mix gently. And our delicious Kuska rice is ready now. This is a delicious veg pulao. This takes no vegetables or meat, so you can make this easily at home. This is a quick 1-pot rice recipe. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.